Hello YouTube and welcome to a new text laws video. Today I already got the Honor Play, or when you see this video, to yesterday, because I got this device one day earlier. Honor is presenting the Honor Play, their new gaming smartphone, today at the Gamescom in Cologne. It's a gaming fair. And of course, I know the Honor Play was already introduced into the Asian markets a couple of weeks ago, so we already know all the hardware specs. What we don't know is the European price, and we still won't know it because this will only be introduced at the 30th at the IFA in Berlin. But I personally think it will be cheaper than the Honor 10. Of course, Honor 10, Honor's flagship device, they got a lot in common. Both devices got the Kirin 970. The Honor Play got also 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. But you don't get the same great camera quality. You get a 60 megapixel camera and additional 2 megapixel camera for the depth information on the back side. So this is definitely on a lower level than the Honor 10. But on the other side, you get the way bigger screen, 6.3 inch, and the way bigger battery, 3750 milliamperes. So let's open up the box. The box looks just normal. We got the Honor Blue on this white box and not much information on the box. And this is already the final selling version, but with two differences. Number one, of course, you see the SIM card tray tool. The selling version comes also with a clear through case, okay, but you won't get the headphones that are in this press sample box. The final selling version will be without the headphones. So we got white cables, white charger, and yes, this is a USB to USB Type-C cable. Yes, we got USB Type-C, and we got this normal Huawei branded USB charger, which maximum output is 9 volt 2 amperes. So we got an 18 watt charger, and that's it. In the final version, there's also a quick start guide on paper. That's missing in this press sample. The Honor Play will come to markets in 5 different colors. Bluish, black, and some violet, which are the standard colors. And there's 2 special gaming editions, player editions. One is red and one is black with some red elements. I got here, of course you see it, the red version, which got this marks, this line on the back side, which you can't feel, but not with your hands, but you can feel it with your fingernails, that these lines are really touchable. So, black front. Let me power up the device so that you can see another important thing. Okay, you can already see it. This device comes with a notch. Of course, you can enable and disable it. We got 6.3 inch display, Full HD plus, aspect ratio something like always 19.5 by 9, so it's longer. Full body aluminum device. It feels nice. Definitely it goes into the, I would say, yes, you feel a difference in build quality in terms if you compare it with an Honor 7X, for example. This feels a little bit nicer. We got the on-off button on the right side, volume down and up as well. You can reach, or I can reach, the volume up button with my right thumb and with my left index finger, but with both hands I wouldn't be able to reach the volume up button. So then we got antenna lines, microphone. On the left side we get the SIM card slot, and it's a combi slot. So again, we can choose between dual nano SIM cards and 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. We got 64 GB of storage. I know in Asia there are bigger versions, but in Europe they only got 64 GB at the moment. So I would assume as the device comes with Android 8.1, there will be at least one major software update. So we will get Android 9 or Android Pie, and it comes with Emotion UI 8.2. And I just guess that there will be at least 50 GB of storage free, which should be sufficient for a lot of your stuff, even if for your games. Then down here, we still got a headphone jack. We got a USB Type-C, but only USB 2.0. Microphone and our speaker, and on the back side antenna lines which blend in with the other lines, the Honor logo. We got a fingerprint sensor on the back side, which I really like, better than the one on the Honor 10, which is beneath the display and below the glass. which does not work that well as we know it from normal or from other Honor devices. The camera standing out, we got 16 megapixel with an aperture of 2.2 and a 2 megapixel sensor for the depth information. Front facing camera is a 16 megapixel camera as well, fixed focus and 2.0 aperture. So that's it. Overall, nice feeling. I don't think it's too heavy, no. For a gaming device, we will see it should have plenty of power. I mean, we got the Kirin 970, 4 GB of RAM and a big battery and a nice looking display, at least in the first impressions here. This should be definitely sufficient for gaming. Price, I can't tell you yet, but my assumption is that it will be low, the 400 euros of an Honor 10. So this is it. Of course, I know I'm trying to figure out how well this device performs, how good is still the camera quality, how well it will behave in comparison with the Honor 10, how well good is the battery life and the gaming performance and all the other things. So this is it for now. Thank you guys for watching and I see you all in the next video. Bye.